Kumusta mga ka-MPBL? Alam kong excited na kayo kasi magbubukas na ang MPBL on April 6, 2024. And para sa mga fans ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns, ito yung schedule ng inyong team for the month of April and May. So for the month of May, yung first game ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns is on April 9 sa Tuesday po yan at 6 p.m. versus the Rizal Golden Coolers. And their next game will be on April 15 versus Marikina. That will be at 6 p.m. naman po yan. And third game will be against the Mindoro Tamaraws on April 22, 2024. Monday naman po yan. And their last game for the month of April is on April 26, Friday against the Bicolandia Oragons. Sa May naman, magkakaroon ng 5 games ang Pampanga Giant Lanterns and 4 sa 5 games na yon ay gaganapin sa Brensigiao Convention Center. So, ang first game ng Pampanga on May is on May 2 against Quezon City. Second game will be on May 7 versus Muntinlupa Cagers. And third game will be on May 13 at versus Bataan. Gaganapin po yan. Home game po yan. And fourth game will be on May 20 versus the Pasay Voyagers. Home game din ulit. And the last game for May will be on May 27, 2024, Monday versus yung bagong team na Tarlac. So abangan po ninyo itong mga schedule ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns.